another day, another English lesson. The third conditional, statements. Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the third conditional. The third conditional talks about an imagined situation in the past that did not really happen and its imagined result. We use it to talk about regrets, missed opportunities, or imagined outcomes that are different from what actually happened. Third conditional statement structure: if plus subject plus had plus past participle, subject plus would have plus past participle. Here are some examples. If I had studied, I would have passed the exam. In real life, I did not study, and I did not pass. If she had left earlier, she wouldn't have missed the bus. In real life, she did not leave earlier, and she missed the bus. We can also use could have or might have, instead of would have, to show a different degree of certainty. For example, if he had asked, I could have helped him. If they had left earlier, they might have caught the train. The order of the clauses can be reversed without changing the meaning. For example, I would have passed the exam if I had studied. When the if clause comes second, we don't need a comma. Now you try. Complete the sentences with the third conditional form of the verb in parentheses. One, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the test. Two, she wouldn't have missed the flight if she had left home earlier. Three, if she had known about the traffic, she would have taken a different route. Four, he would have gotten the job if he had prepared better for the interview. Five, if he had brought an umbrella, he wouldn't have gotten wet. Six, I would have called you if I had known you were awake. Seven, if she had saved more money, she could have bought the car. Eight, he wouldn't have been late if he had woken up on time. I hope you'll watch more Worldwide ELT English language learning videos in the future. See you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.